What's happening to my hair? She don't even know. What's happening over here? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 messy ponytail kind of styles. One of them I have been wearing a ton. I wore in my last vlog and I asked if you guys wanted to see it, and I got quite a few requests to do so. And then I also had posted on my Instagram if you guys wanted to see, or I was asking you guys if you wanted to see a summer bronze makeup look or like a messy cute ponytails, and it was pretty much 50-50. I think right now it's like 49-51. So I just filmed this makeup look. It's very bronzy and glowy, and I am going to post that one first since that one was the one with the 51%, I think. So if you guys are curious on how to get this makeup look, then you can watch my last video. But if you do want to see my 3 cute kind of messy ponytail styles that I like to rock, then just keep watching. So for all these hairstyles, I like to do them with like a loose, messy curl. So this is just like second day curls. And if you guys want to see a how I curl my hair video, I will leave one down below for you guys. But for this first one, you're going to want to take the hair kind of from like behind your ears and forward and just section that off. And then I'm just pulling the rest of the hair in the back and just putting an elastic in it to hold it out of the way. Then starting with this side section, I'm going to let some pieces fall out in the front. You guys don't have to do that. I just like some pieces to kind of frame my face. And then I'm just kind of combing it in a backwards direction and putting my hands up over my head. And then I'm just going to do a regular braid, and I just braid this all the way down until my layers are kind of too short to do so. And if you do have a lot of layers and they stick out, it's totally fine. You can go ahead and fix those with the bobby pins later. So then I'm just holding the end of the braid, and with my opposite hand I'm just kind of tugging at the braid and loosening it up to make it look bigger and thicker. And then I'm just taking one bobby pin, you guys can use as many as you need, and just kind of wiggling it into the braid and trying to keep it hidden as much as possible. So then with the other side, again doing that same exact thing, kind of sweeping the hair back and putting that opposite hand up over and behind my head to make it easier, and braiding that section. So then I'm going to be pulling it across, loosening it up once again, and before I bobby pin this one in place, I'm actually going to be tucking it under the other braid. So I apologize, it's a little bit hard to see, but I'm just taking the ends and very gently kind of tucking that underneath the other braid and then bobby pinning it in place. And by doing this, it's kind of hiding your ends. And then I'm going to slip that elastic out. You guys can kind of see it a little better there, but you can't see that it's not all one continuous braid, so that's why I like to tuck it under. And then I'm just securing all the hair with an elastic and kind of straightening things out and feeling around until it feels just right. So for the second hairstyle, I'm taking this section at the top, and it's kind of from like the high points of my brows and straight back, and I'm just going to be kind of messily combing that towards the back and starting an inside out French braid. So it's the same as a regular French braid, you just bring the pieces under the centerpiece rather than over the centerpiece. So as you can see, I'm adding pieces there for the French braid, and then at some point here you'll see me pull that piece underneath the centerpiece. So that's what makes it that kind of inside out braid. There's tons of videos on YouTube if you guys want to learn more on how to do like a Dutch braid or an inside out braid, and you can actually just do a regular French braid, and this hairstyle would be super cute too. So anyway, I'm just doing that until all the hair is up from like my ears back, pulling some pieces out at the front, and then just gathering all the hair together in the back and securing it with a hair elastic. Then I'm just going to be messing the braid up a little bit and really pulling it out. Again, you guys can do this to however messy and big you like your braids, and that is absolutely it for this one. So for this third hairstyle, this is the one I rock the most often, and it is so quick and easy to do. So I'm just sectioning off the pieces from behind my ear and forward, and then pulling all that hair towards the back and kind of smoothing it out. This hair elastic is actually going to stay in. It's not just to hold it out of the way. So make sure the top is as smooth or messy or whatever as you would like. So then I'm just kind of pulling at the top to add a little bit of volume here before we start on our twist. So for the twist, you just pull some pieces out at the front, twist the hair back and wrap it around the hair elastic, and then add the end of the twist into the ponytail. Then just go ahead and add another clear elastic over that to hold the twist. And then we're going to be doing the same exact thing on the other side. I'm loosening up my twist a little bit right here, but I'll do it a little bit more later. So again, pulling some pieces out of the front and kind of combing that section back and twisting it. So you guys can do a looser twist or a tighter twist if you would like. I like to start with mine pretty tight and then go ahead and loosen them up. But again, just adding the end of that twist into the ponytail and wrapping a clear elastic around it. And then the fun part, I go in and just mess everything up a little bit, pull it out and loosen it up. And you can really make these twists nice and big if you're doing like more of an updo, or instead of a ponytail, if you're doing a bun, it would be a really pretty like bridal hairstyle. But for every day, like I said, it's just quick and easy, and I have been absolutely loving this look. So that is absolutely it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!